Welcome to Sauer Auto Body Repair. We're an owner-operated body workshop providing everything your car needs to look pristine again. Come to us for dent and scratch repair, collision repair, auto glass service, painting, and more. We have more than 45 years of hands-on collision repair and auto paint experience, and customer satisfaction is our #1 priority. We make sure you're always getting top quality service that's prompt and professional. On top of that, we provide free estimates on all repairs, so you always know how much you're paying up front. No surprises. Contact us today for a free auto body repair estimate.